Water Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Kaufman County and north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some of the water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Seagoville, Kaufman, Crandall, Combine, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, Oak Grove, Post Oak, Bend City, Rosser, and Oak Ridge. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.